Hey students, welcome to Unit 14. As we end into the last few weeks of the term, we are going to work on building a pictochart. Pictochart is a website that gives you free access to build an infographic. It automatically gives you templates, so it's not a very designer-friendly website, but it does allow you to break down information easily, and it's sort of where a lot of our organizational data and data design is becoming in the current culture for social media. So take a look at that. I provided the pictochart website. There is a forum for you all to share what you come up with, and here is your pictochart submission link. Follow the instructions. There are step-by-step instructions. I want you to visit the site, choose the theme, using your concept, text, and photos you've retouched and edited throughout the term. You want to begin to draft a new infographic. Drop in more than one graphic that you've used this course so that I can recognize those as well. And then you can add more as well. Build meaningful infographic, decide if you feel the application would be useful to you in the future. And then, of course, you want to publish it, make sure it's public view, copy the URL link, and then share it and submit it. If you have any questions, let me know. We're heading into the last few weeks of the term, so I believe there's really not a lot left. One more week. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.